2022 Acura ILX release date, interior, updates. New technology Acura ILX should look for entirely different from the standard sibling. 2020 Acura ILX is going to number a whole lot more active outlines and a selection of design adjustments. The majority of new aspects will happen in the finishes. The facial area should really variety a massive fender and new front lights, and also, the actual motor vehicle may perhaps somewhat restyle all the grille. The most up-to-date reviews point out that Acura will never neglect the opportunity to include the tail. We think that this fender may possibly be significantly more apparent as well. New 2022 Acura ILX redesign. Interior. The usefulness car will stay minimized for the soil devoid of a question. It is likely to also variety larger sized rims and braking system, and a few suspensions improvements. 2022 Acura ILX could possibly grant any aim to quite a few kinds in mixture technological know-how mainly because effectively, but we currently have almost nothing at all regarding this right now. Although, we understand that there is gonna be some form associated with semi-autonomous systems provided. Furthermore, this four-door can be without a doubt acquiring the automaker's most existing infotainment and entertainment methods. New 2022 Acura ILX engine. Referring to an engine. The brand new engine this 2022 Acura ILX has got provided will likely be a good utterly new website with the help of couple of liter website potential. The brand new engine by itself will attain a fabulous turbocharger power plant which often is equal to for the highest productivity connected with 250 HP. Due to its maximum power ability. This new sedan can also be reinforced using auto-transmitting treatment in addition to 8-rate degree of items that make the car a whole lot much more comfortable to grow to be monitored. The 2022 Acura ILX will be prone to are available in a few special versions with every single providing their own personal certain sticker label price level. 2022 Acura ILX uses a 4-tube turbo as well as the 2-liter engine to offer the exact amount of production as much as 300 HP. However, can currently talk keyless segment, force to get started, an 8-speed grasp transmission, and other 5-star wellness illustrates. Want to see an energy efficiency of 23 miles per gallon/city or higher to 36 miles per gallon/expressway so that it is probably the most gas skillful 2022 Acura ILX. 2022 Acura ILX release date and price. The starting point price from the Acura ILX is $26,100 MSRP, not including the location control of $1,025 during the US. Along with the superior offer provided, it retails for $28,100. The A-Spec offer can't be added without the top quality package deal and will take nearly $30,100. A totally packed ILX and top quality, technological innovation, and A-Spec deals provided retails for $32,000. Even within the second option price, the Acura ILX symbolizes the best value for a lot you receive.